with my light shining? Is that what I think it is? Is that a hole in the side of the engine block? I do think it is. I think that's a... What up, though, people? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm Easy E, and if you can see from the thumbnail, we got us another Copart car. We want another Copart car, people. With this market and inflation going on, we finally want us an SUV. But you've seen from the thumbnail, it's got an N on the window. So we're going to be taking a little walk around this 2008 Buick Enclave. I think it's a CXL. So it's the top of the line Buick. You know, got all the bells and whistles. So let's go over it, do a little walk around, and y'all get to see what's going on. It was sold through Copart Dealer Services. So let's go take a look. So if you're new to this channel, but if you're not, and you watch my other videos, you would have seen this one in the background. Because obviously, she got an N on the window for non-runner. I had to push her in her garage. Yep. You see right there, Copart Direct. Or Copart Direct. Dealer Services. Lost Type Mechanical. 08 Buick Enclave. Brown. It's a CXL. So I was right. See, tires going flat on me from sitting here. But she's listed as 179, 280 on the dash. And I'm trying to figure out what I did with the keys. Oh, I got the key. I found the key. Got so much stuff in my pockets. There's never a dull moment over here at Easy's Rebuilds. So, where was I at? The chrome are flaking off the rims. Tires going flat. We rejuvenated the battery. But, sorry, it's a little bit dark in here. But like I said, she has all the little bells and whistles. The wood grain steering wheel. The normal wear and tear of fingernails. Turn the buttons on and off. For the controls. But they make little stickers you can stick over those. She has the DVD package. It does work, as y'all can hear. We're gonna turn that down. Don't want to get no copyright infringement. Look at that one right there. So the TVs do work. There's a baby bottle back there in the back. She got the third row seats, all leather. Almost like my Chevy Traverse. Got the rear hatch open. I don't even know if that worked. Can't open it right now anyway, because she's pushed all the way to the back of the garage. But does have the heated seats. Has the remote to the TV in the back. Even has this. That's a good one, because a lot of cars don't come with those no more. Got some candy canes and armrests. The button's worn off right here on your cruise control. Got the engine light on. Change engine. Oil soon. We have the book. So that's a good one. Extra bulb. I do believe sunroof does work. That works in the back. Like, everything's, I don't know how to use this yet. There we go. Ugh. So the sunroof does work. Everything do. Most of the important stuff work. We're gonna say the important stuff. Let's check the important windows. See if all the important windows work. That window work. That window work. That window work. Oh, that window don't work. We have to address that. I hear it clicking. Yeah, I can hear it click, but it ain't doing nothing. I'll roll these windows back up. I'll address that later. But she is clicking. I don't want to drain the battery. Yeah, we get up in there and check the window regulator. But not on camera. Like, she's decent, got scratches. Somebody been rubbed up against the tail lights and all right here. So she got the normal wear and tear on the outside of the car as well on the inside of the car. Headlights work. I don't know about the fog lights. So I said tires are going flat. Ain't trying to make a big long video of this. Because I don't have a shop. So I'm limited on my space. Got some spilled milk on the seat. I said I can't get to the back because I don't got no space back between. But taillights work. Some more little scuff marks. That'll be buffed out. More scuff marks can be buffed out. But we get her up and running. Think my stepdaughter gonna take it because we're gonna trading this one in for, if y'all seen my video before, if you ain't new to this channel, it's a Monte Carlo 2003 Monte Carlo SS, like an off-white one that I did some work on before. And my stepdaughter, that's my stepdaughter's husband's car, and she said it's time to get rid of that car and get a family car. So, y'all know what I'm like, okay, let me go find a family car for the cheap and do a trade. An even trade. Even though this car got like more miles, I don't even know how many miles on the Monte Carlo, but Monte Carlo needed a lot of work, needed an engine cradle, AC compressor, it needs a lot of work. Sunroof don't work, but we'll do a trade. Well, like I said, this is our 2008 Buick Enclave that we won for $475. I actually won this car twice. I won it 1 week for $525. They declined and counter offered me for $1,500. I stayed at $525. They put it for auction the next week. I bid $475. I won it for $475, and they let it go. Copart let it go. Nobody wanted it, especially as a non-runner. And we about to go see why it's a non-runner right now. Okay, I'm back. Neighbor Rich over here. Like, it's been like an hour since I've been recording because AJ the Pest Show back up, had me looking at his Volkswagen CC again, if you're new to this channel. So, we was about to take a look and see what's going on, but y'all see I got a pan. This pan been under the car since we got it because there's oil coming out the engine. So, lucky we got pans put up under it. So, when it drip, I don't know, got nothing else more to say about that one. But you got the 3.6 liter V6 VVT engine. They known for timing chain issues. I was heard they're not very good motors, but it's a good motor in my 2012 Chevy Traverse that y'all seen before. Because as long as you maintain them, they'll treat you right. Don't skip out on oil changes or nothing. But Or the coolant. She don't got no coolant in her. This chunk of metal came from somewhere up under. But that's why I didn't attempt to start her, because she wasn't going to start anyway. But let's get up underneath and see what's going on. So right off back, see all the oil, the engine covered in the oil. This is an all-wheel drive motor, so they go to transfer case. Got spiders up under here. So it should be, I'm about to replace the front bumper. Took a little hit right there to the core support. So that's a little bent, but that shouldn't affect nothing. But she got, somebody been here before, got some hose clamps on the transmission cooler lines. So we're going to address that issue. Hopefully I can take the transmission out of another car. Very up here, but I don't know if y'all can see. I'm trying to get y'all up there. Y'all see right where my light shining? Is that what I think it is? Is that a hole in the side of the engine block? I do think it is. I think that's a piston connecting rod. Something up there. It's hard to get y'all up in there. But if you look, because we're up under the car. I'm trying to get y'all in there, but right where the light's showing, that's where all the oil coming from, is a hole in the side of the block. The motor is locked up. And what that looked like is my engine oil dipstick. Right up, all mangled up in that. Yep, that's the engine oil dipstick. It goes to the top of the motor. That's why I can't put the dipstick out, because it's jammed up in the engine block by the piston or connecting rod. Something is jammed up in there. But we'll get into that once we get to yanking this motor out, yanking it all apart in another video. So like I was saying, this is our new Copart build. 2008 Buick Enclave with only 179,000 miles on the motor, but that's for nothing, because obviously it's a hole in the block. Can't see it from the top, but it's a hole in the block. And we got a lot of work to do. Like I said, I'm going to trade this car for another car. Stepdaughter needs a family vehicle, and she has a 2003 Monte Carlo. Her husband has a 2003 Monte Carlo SS that I want, that needs a little work. And I can make my money back from selling that car. So this is my $475 Copart win. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Let us know how we doing over here at Easy E's Rebuilds on these Copart cars or the donation cars. Share this video with your friends, family, co-workers on your social media. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy E's Rebuilds. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video, because we do work a full-time job. We have merch at teespring.com. We take cash app donations. We take donations of cars. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. There's all links in the description area below. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!